The information that I'm about to pass to you in the course of this video is so powerful that if only you can give me your time and your attention, listen to the things I'm going to say in this video and watch to the end, you'll be able to do a lot of wonders in the market. Because in the course of this video, I'll be showing you the 3 most powerful candles that I use every day in order to trade the market and get to make money, man. If you're in the Telegram community, you can confirm to it. If you're in my web cycle, you can also confirm that I make money in the market and I get to lose something little also. Why? Because of these 3 most powerful candles that I use every day to trade the market, guys. So in the course of this video, I'll be showing you guys these same candles and how to use them properly so you'll be able to make money from the market trading with these 3 most powerful candlesticks in the market, guys. So before we get into the chart, before I get to show you how this works in the market, my name is Philip Joshua, and on this channel I'll be teaching a lot of things about the Forex market. Starting from the beginners level to the advanced level, I've taught everything already. So all you just have to do is, if you're a complete beginner, go back to my playlist and watch how to start Forex trading for complete beginners, so that from there you'll be able to learn more things about the market with just the playlist, guys. So that's it for complete beginners. And advanced traders also, go back to my playlist. You see my advanced trading course for advanced traders. Get to watch them and learn more things about the market, so you'll be able to do more wonders in the market too, guys. And also, before I forget, if you're not in the Telegram community, use the link in my description and join that Telegram community right now. We are currently hosting a 100 days trading challenge and we are taking all the trades in the Telegram community. So what are you doing outside, man? Join the Telegram community right now. Let's get a trade together and get to make money from this same community, guys. And lastly, before we get into the video, if you don't have a trading broker, use the link in my description also and register with the best trading broker for both currency pairs and synthetic indices. Fund any amount you can fund the market. Join the Telegram community. Let's do the wonders together, man. Alright, so let's get into the market right now. Let me get to show you the exact steps to do the same things in the market and get to make money too. Let's go. Alright, so this is our number 1 candle that we use in the market every day. Let me shift my arrow a little bit. Alright, so let me bring my arrow to the side. So this candle is called the counter attack candlestick pattern, and this is the bearish part in case of people that don't know. So this is very, very common in the market and a lot of people don't even know it. Sometimes we do call it the fair value gap candles in the market because it does the same work as the fair value gap candles in the market. But one thing about this candle is that if only you can know it, you're not going to wait for a lot of things, because I'll be showing you guys some short examples of these candlesticks and where they are in the market also. So that when you get to see it, you get to know that these things are things that actually works, not some kind of diagram that you're just looking and you don't understand anything. So around this place now, look at this side. So this is 2 candles in the market. This is a bullish one. This is a bearish one. So if at all this counter attack candlestick wants to work in this market, there will always be a pin bar or another engulfing candle around the upper region of that market. So for instance, now if this market is trying to sell from this side, there will be a pin bar at the top side or an engulfing candle at the top side. And the major work of these candles is to make you have this expectation that the market is going to get back to those pin bar or those engulfing candle. Then from there, the market will just start dropping from that side. That's why I tell you that this is what you find every day in the market, and the ability to understand it will help you grow faster in terms of you taking actions in the market. So for instance, now, just like the way I've said before, if I'm to enter a trade now and I get to see this in the market, I see that okay, the market is about to take these fair value gap candles out in the market, or these counter attack candlesticks in the market, then I expect the wick of the counter attack candle to be our stop loss area. For instance, in a selling position now, if it is in a buying position, we should be buying around this place, while we place our stop loss around this place. So on this selling one now, we'll be placing our stop loss around this place, and the reason why we're placing our stop loss around that place is because the market is not going to break it. That's just the truth. It's very, very hard for the market to break this, except the market has broken a former structure before. Then the market is just trying to come and get another retest by breaking another old structure to go towards the upside or downside. So around this place now, if this is what we expect in the market, maybe there's some kind of consolidations, then some pin bars, there's some engulfing candles, and we see this in the market, I'm going to take a lot of trades around this place. I'm going to place my stop loss above this place. And the reason why I'm placing a stop loss around this place is because this is the area that should hold the market to drop towards the downside. If the market crosses this place, then don't expect any movement towards the upside at that point again, because you expecting things to happen is just like a way of trading with emotions. And this is one of the major reasons why a lot of people get lose money, because when you put in your emotions into trading, you get to lose money. That's just the truth about it. I remember losing some money last week. Why? Because I was very emotional in the market. So I was kind of trying to enter the market at every given opportunity. Even though there was no opportunity in the market, I was just trying to make sure I enter early, and that was a very wrong pattern of trading, which I discovered after my emotions have gone down a little bit. And since then, bro, I've been trying to make sure I don't get emotional in terms of taking any trade in the market. So right now, this counter attack candlesticks in the market, you may not understand it that much until I get to the diagram part of it in the chart. Then from there, I'll show you the live example of how these things works in the market too. So let's get to the chart. Let me get to show you on how this counter attack candlesticks works in the market. And also we call it the FVG candlesticks in the market, which is fair value gap candlestick. So I'm going to take you guys to the chart right now. Let me show you a live example, get to explain it better for you so you can understand it faster and get to use it also to make money from the market, guys. So let me show you the counter attack candlestick in the market, which I love calling it the FVG candlestick in the market, because that's what it mostly do. That's the major work of this candle in the market. But some people do call it the counter attack, man. So I will just be calling it FVG candlestick so you'll be able to understand faster now. So this is an asset in the market. This is step index, and don't forget this work on all assets in the market. Not like because I'm using step index now, it doesn't work on other assets. It works on every asset in the market, and the ability to understand it helps you to make money faster from trading. So let me show you something now. A lot of formations in the market right now, and a lot of people are just confused, which me, I'm just calm, learning them and getting to know them too, because bruv, a lot of things are just changing in the market, and if you don't get to change with these things, you're gonna be behind. You're gonna be behind a lot. So let me show you something now. If this is the way we used to trade before, just like the way we used to take our interest in the market, and around this place, the market gets to this point, take this structure away. Although you can see this place now, which I'm telling you that things are changing in the market. This place we have some kind of consolidation, which is this consolidation move that we have around this place. And after then, the market took away this structure in this place. After the market has taken this structure away, due to these consolidations around this place, the market is not going to drop back to these areas again. That's one thing people don't know, and it's crazy, man. Because sometimes, or most times, you even get confused looking at these things happen before your own very eyes. Then it's after everything that you get to understand these things. So around this place now, what we mostly do before is place our horizontal line around the side. Due to the fact that the market broke a structure around the side, so place our horizontal line around this place, expecting the market to do what? Come back to that place. Then from there we will get to enter. So in this case now, we just use something like this pin back candle in this place, expecting that the market will now drop back to that place. Then from there we will rise. But let me show you something. Since the market has taken this structure away, you can see this structure in this place. This one. Since the market has taken it away already, this is structure, in case you don't know. Because a lot of you see that just normal candles. This is structure. The market has taken it away. Instead of the market to drop where, which is drop from this side again, break this old structure, get to tap the new structure around this place, which is somewhere like this place now. Alright, somewhere like this place should have been tapped. Then once the market tap into somewhere like this place, the market now start rising towards the upside continuously. But instead of that, the market said no. Then the market just pushed from that part now. After breaking that structure in that place, the market had some kind of consolidations in this place and pushed toward this upside. So now a lot of traders are going to be in this place, expecting that this place is going to push the market toward the upside, which is this place where we have this our bearish pin back candle in this market. A lot of people are going to be there expecting, bro. This is a very powerful candle, just like the way I've told you guys before. Expecting now that this is going to be tapping, then from there the market now starts rising to the upside. But this is what's going to happen. Around this place, what did the market do? The market came and formed some kind of what? Bullish engulfing candles in this place. Bullish engulfing candles in this place. Bullish again. Then around this place, we have a little bit longer wick in this place compared to these other ones now. So you can see that there's a difference between the wicks. And let me bring you closer at this point. Let me show you something. So for people that normally trade this old pattern of trading now, they will keep expecting that the market will always come back to this place and they will get the entry. But right now, if you are to be a trader that gets to understand it now, which is what I'm going to explain for you, which is the counter attack candlesticks in the market or the FVG candlesticks in the market, you should have moved your horizontal line towards this side at this point. And the reason why I'm pushing towards this side is because of this last one, which is this one that has a longer wick around that place. After then, the market started having some kind of rejections around this place, which kept on pushing the market towards the upside. So these rejections now are telling us that this market is not going to come back to this place. So this one is not going to be tested already. That's why it's good to understand the candle formations in the market. But when you tell people, they tell you that one strategy is enough. Brother, one strategy is not enough. You have to know a lot of things for you to get this money from this market. So around this place now, this market is telling us that this market is not going to come back to this place. So this one you're expecting here, which is this old one. Let me bring out another horizontal line and place in that place. Let me place this horizontal line in this place now. Okay. It's telling us that this one is not going to work out. This guy is not going to work out. It's showing it very, very clear using these rejections around this place. So you should have taken this one away if you understand these candle formations at this point. So now let me show you something. After the market has pushed with this for some times, look at what the market did now. The market came to this place, which is this side whereby we have two pin back candle in the market, which I will still explain for you later, but not now. So this place now, the market came around that place and got a reversal, which is to an area, but not that area where you're expecting. That place where you're expecting is not going to work out because of these formations around this place. This is an information given out to you already, if only you understand it. So this place now should have been moved towards this side as our area of entry. Because why? This is the main point now. Let me show you something here. See this guy in this place? You see this candle in this place? This one that is looking like an hammer. Yes, looking like an hammer candle in the market. That is the FVG candle in the market, or the counter attack candle in the market. This is another one before, but these ones are not strong enough. Why? Because of this rejection around this place, it's not strong enough to push the market to the upside. If there was no rejection around that place, the market could have just come around this place and still push to the upside. But due to the fact that there's a rejection around this place, this is not going to work. So this guy here is the counter attack candlestick in the market. And what do you expect? Let me show you something now. If at all I had to place my horizontal line around this place, and the market just came, tapped in and started pushing towards the upside, then my stop loss could have been this place. So imagine now, look at the distance between your stop loss and your entry point. Very, very close, and the risk is very, very perfect. And the reason why the market is not expected to take you out is because this is a very respected candle in the market, and only people that have been in the market for long to know the candle formations in the market have been able to discover these. So I'm showing you now as a top information because a lot of people still see it and they feel like it's just normal candlestick, or the market just making noise on the 15 minutes candle. There's nothing like noise on that 15 minutes candle, man. There's nothing like that. Everything is happening for a reason, and if you know the reason, bro, there's no way not gonna see money from this market. So for instance, if I was in the market at that point, following the structure of the market, then I could have gotten my entry around this place because the other places have failed already. So that's the major work of this counter attack candlestick in the market. And if you go to the upside again, I'll still get to show you another place again. Also, this is another example of a counter attack candlestick in the market, which is around this place. Now let me show you something. So look at this place now. This is an area whereby I'm expecting the market to come around, and from this area we will get to push the market towards the upside again. So I'm expecting the market to get around this place, then we get to enter a trade in this market at this point. And the reason why I'm expecting that area to be my entry point in this market is because of this counter attack candlestick in the market, or FVG candlestick in the market. So look at it, this place. This is the candlesticks in the market, and this is on a daily time frame. Why am I expecting the market to break this structure in this place? The reason why I'm expecting the market to break this structure is because this place is meant to push the market towards the upside. This place where we have a pin back candle in the market, but the market did not respect the pin back candle in that side. So since the market did not respect that pin back candle in the market, we're not expected to use any of these areas as an entry point in this market again, but rather we expect the market to come around this place. Then from this side now, we will get a push towards the upside. Then we'll keep rising towards upside too. So that's why I tell you guys that this candlestick is very, very powerful, and I expect you to learn more about this market. It's not about you coming to the market, rushing to analyze this market, and that's all. It doesn't make sense if you're doing that every day, and to know help you become a better trader too. So let's go to the next candlestick that I want to explain to you guys too. Alright guys, so the second candlestick that can help you make a lot of money from this market is the pin bar candlesticks. The pin bar candlesticks are very common in the market, but the ability to know the right ones are the only reason why you get to make money trading these pin bar candlesticks in the market. Because a lot of them are going to come aside due to the fact that it's a very common candlestick, especially when the market is forming a structure or the market has a direction that is following up with. You're going to see it a lot. So on these pin bar candlesticks now, a lot of people get to, use this place as their stop loss whenever they want to enter. And why some people be like, oh no, it's very risky and you should not use this place as your stop loss in case of stop hunt and stuff like that. But trust me bro, if you spot the right pin bar candle in the right place, using this place as a stop loss is a very good thing. And one common thing about these pin bar candles is that they don't mostly fail if you find them on the right place. And that's why I mostly advise people to get analysis from the D1 time frame or W1 time frame down to M15 time frame, not to find out the exact place that the market is expected to push from, or get to find the trend of the market at that point. Because bro, there's nothing like trend in the market, man. There's nothing like trend. If you can find the trend of the market, you're gonna make you a lot of money because you're following the movement of the money, you're following where the money is going to, and you're gonna flow up with that and still get to make money. But if you want to trade against the trend, or you're expecting areas whereby the market should get around, then from there you start selling from or start buying from, you're doing the wrong thing. That mindset that is telling you, or that the fact that you are able to find out where the market is going to already, that's money. And the only thing I expect you to do is use that opportunity and get to make money, guys. So whenever you're trading the pin bar candles in the market, the wick should be your stop loss area in the market. This place should be your entry point if you're able to find it on time. If you're able to find it on time, after one candle, like this bearish candle now, after one candle, you can still get into the other candle and still use this place as your stop loss area in the market. So pin bar candles are very powerful candles. And when it gets to the bearish part, you see a bearish pin bar. Sometimes you get to see a bullish pin bar, and the market will still drop with it, depending on the market formation at that point. So this is a bullish candle, as you can see. This is the bearish pin bar. This one, this tiny guy that has a small box around him, that's what we call pin bar in the market. This is for a bearish movement, and this is for a bullish movement. When it comes to the bearish part, you see the pin bar formation at the top side, and when it comes to the bullish part, you see the pin bar formation at the downside. So when you see a pin bar at this point, you can get in your trade around this place, which is the second candle that is going to push after the pin bar. And sometimes if you're a very consecutive trader, you can wait after the first candle to form, then the next one you get into the market. But if at all this is a pin bar that gets to the area whereby you expect the market to confirm, then there's no reason why you shouldn't enter this trade at this point. So yeah, you have to enter this trade at this point, get to make money from this place and push with other traders. Even though you like enter this place, you make money. If you enter this place, you still make money. But the amount of risk you're taking at this point is very low compared to someone that is taking a lot of risk at this place in case the market goes wrong. But if only you do the right thing and follow up with your analysis very well, why should the market go wrong, man? There's no reason, except there's a manipulation in the market at that point. So that's one thing about this one. And one thing about pin bar candle also is that most times market gets reversals around it. The market can just break former structures right now after a very long push, or maybe there's a structure around this place before, around this bearish part now before. The market just break it and still come back to this place. You will get an entry point in this place and you still enter the market and still get to make money. So that's one good thing about this pin bar candles in the market also. And let's get into the chart right now. Let me show you an example of these pin bar candles and how they work in the market also, so you'll be able to follow up with it and get to make money from trading these pin bar candles in the market. This is a live example, so you'll be able to understand it faster and know how this works in the market. So this on the weekly time frame, and the reason why I'm showing you on the high time frame is just to explain how powerful these candlesticks are in the market. So look at this candlestick now. In this place, there was a market formation in this place, which is a bearish formation. And around this place, what changed the formation? The pin bar candle in this place. And why did this pin bar candle become so powerful to change it? Is because the market has reached an area or a point whereby the market has to push toward the upside. And looking at this market, you can see that this market has been very bearish for a very long time now. And the market is trying to change its trend direction, but we are having a base in this place, a drop again, under base again, under drop, and from there the market is still rising towards the upside. So let me show you something now on a lower time frame like D1. This is the higher time frame, but I just want to explain to you guys how powerful the effect of this pin back candle is in this market. So around this place, the market did what? Got this pin back candle 2 on a daily time frame, and since then the market has not been able to break it. And why is the market not able to break it at this point? Is because of how powerful this candle has been for a very long time. The overall target of this market is to break this place, which is this place whereby I have 104.1520. That's the place whereby I'm expecting the market to break. Then from there the market will now return back to this place. So if I thought the market has not been able to break this place, I don't expect the market to come back to this place. Why? Because this pin back candle in this place is still very strong, and the market has come very close to it already many times, and it has not been able to break it. So since the market has not been able to break it, the move is still expected to be respected. So I'm still expecting the market to do what? Keep rising towards upside. Although I'm looking for a way to enter the market now, which I'm still gonna use this bearish pin back candle in this place as my entry point in this market right now. Because why? There's a structure in this place now, and this structure has been taken out. When market take former structures away, we expect new structures to be tested again. Then from there we get a push towards upside. And why am I going to use this pin back candle in this place? Why not place it around this side? It's because of these rejections around this place. Don't joke with rejections in the market. When we get a lot of rejections and we get a pin back candle after those rejections, then expect that pin back candle to be the area whereby the market is expected to come around. Then from there you will get to push toward the upside or the downside depending on the area where you found the market. So I'm going to tap on this right now. I'm going to push it towards this side, and let's even use this opportunity to analyze the market. Let me show you a live analysis of how I do my analysis too. So around this place now we have H4 candlestick in the market, which is this one on this lower time frame now, which is H4. It doesn't look like that pin bar that we got in that place again. But what are we still gonna do? You can see this place, we have another bullish pin bar candle in this place. So this bullish pin bar candle is gonna be the area where we're gonna place our horizontal line at right now. And the reason is because of what? Rejections around this place again. There's rejection here, so we expect this place or the whole of this area to be an area where we expect the market to rise from towards the upside again. So I'm gonna place my horizontal line to this place now. So right now I've placed it in this place. Let's go to a lower time frame like H1 time frame in this market now. So now H1 time frame, what are you still seeing again? You can still see a pin back candle around this place, which is a bullish one. This and that pin back candle in this place, and this one came to get a retest around this place because of a broken structure around that side. So this is a structure around this place now. The market came, broke it. After the market has broken it already, it came back and got a retest around this pin bar area in this side. So this pin back candle now has shown itself to be a very powerful candle, and if only you get a flop with it all the time, bro, there's no way I'm not gonna make money from this market too, guys. So let me explain this further again. Around this place where I've gotten this pin back candle already, what do we expect in the market? We expect this place where we have gotten another pin back candle again to be our entry point. And you can see how we're trying to make sure we find the major place or the major area where we expect the market to drop from. That's how you get to trade the market and get to make money, guys. So if I told you to flop with the D1 time frame only, then we're gonna wait for a long time, man. We're gonna wait for years, and we're not going to enter the market early and get to make money. So we have to bring back to our H1 time frame right now, and on this H1 time frame, we're gonna place our horizontal line around this side. All right. So the next step now, after placing it around that side now, you're gonna go back to a lower time frame like M30 time frame. So on the M30 time frame now, you can see that there are a lot of rejections around this place too, but these rejections are not strong enough to make the market not to drop back to this place. That's just the truth. And the reason why these rejections are there is for you to get into the market around this place, get your stop loss smash, then from there the market now start rising towards the upside again. So let's go to a lower time frame like M15. So on M15 time frame now, this is what I'm going to show you guys now. So on M15 time frame now, let me show you something. This is an area whereby we expect the market to drop on the M30 time frame, but this is not going to work. Why? Because this structure has been tested already. You can see these rejections already. That's giving us a sign that the market is not expected to come back to this place. So since we don't expect the market to come back to this place and there's a broken structure, we are not going to still use this place as our stop loss area in the market. Since we have a lot of broken structures, no one got retested. So we're going to go back to our M15 time frame now, and I'm going to use the last structure before this one, as our entry point. And the last structure before the market broke, the old one, is this place. So this is the last structure in this place, and this is going to be our entry point. And the reason why it's going to be our entry point is because if you use this place, bro, there's going to be stop loss smash. If you use this place, our stop loss is still going to get smashed. So we're going to use this place as our entry point, and we're going to profit from the market. Trust me when I tell you this, bro. So yeah, I'm done with the analysis for this market, man. I've been able to push the market using a lot of candle formations to get to this point. And the reason why we are not going to use this pin back candle in this place is because it's not strong enough. It's still part of these tiny ones. And this is the only area where I expect the market to push towards the upside. So this candle now, this bearish candle, is also a pin back candle. It's also an hammer candle in the market, because this candle does the same thing as a pin back candle in the market. So you can still use this place as an entry point and get to make money from this market, guys. So what do we expect? We expect the market to drop back to this place. Then if the market drop back to this place now, a push to the upside, money is made, man. So that's it about this pin back candle. Let's go to the third one. Let me get to explain it for you guys too, so you'll be able to know it and get better in terms of your trading, man. Alright guys, so here's our third candlestick that you must trade in the market if you want to be making crazy figures from this market daily, guys. So the third one is engulfing candlesticks in the market. Engulfing candlesticks are very good candle, and whenever this gets to form, the best way to know them is from the name engulfing. For something to engulf, it has to pass the level or the limit of the last movement, you understand? So like this place now, let me show you something. For this candle around this place, which is this bearish candle in this place, to be engulfed, then this other candle has to pass this one very well, covering a distance within this one and this other one. So for instance, if I want to take a trade around this place and I'm still not sure, but after the market gets to confirm this by giving us this engulfing candle, I can use this side this week now as my stop loss area, where I get to enter my next trade around this place due to the confirmation that I've gotten in the market. For instance, if I have a zone or a structure that I'm expecting the market to get through, then the market comes around that place and we get this bullish engulfing candle in this place, then what do I expect to do again if not to enter the market at this point while using this place as my stop loss area? Why? Because there's a structure there and I know that the market is expected to come around that structure, and that structure has been respected already. So there's no way or there's no reason why I shouldn't enter the market after this engulfing candle. So for you to know an engulfing candle right now, you have to know that that candle must pass the old candle. Then from there, you know that that is an engulfing candle. And whenever we get engulfing candles in the market, you don't expect the market to drop again and get to take it away. No, it doesn't happen in the market, except if you spot them at the wrong place or the market wants to manipulate a little bit before the move will start. But when you find a good position or a good setup and you have to use an engulfing candle, after the first candle have been engulfed, the only thing you need to do is get into the market and get the money, man. Get that money, bro. So that's all about the bullish engulfing candle. This is a bearish engulfing candle, and this bearish part now, you can see that the candle is red, it's not green in this place, because normally we use a red candle mostly for bearish move, that is when the market is dropping to the downside, and green candles for bullish move. That's the traditional way, or in fact almost everybody use these colors for their trading, but you can still get to customize yours to any color of your choice, which I don't see the reason or the need for that, man. It's all about trading. You just have to make money from doing the right thing. So yeah, everybody's using a green and red, and in this place now you can see that this green candle is very short while the red one is very long. So in this situation now, the red candle engulfed the green one, and after this candle being engulfed, you can see that the distance is there. This one has passed. You can enter around this place and still get to make money, and you can take this place as your stop loss area in the market, as your risk area in the market also, whatever you get to call it. And you are still very safe because your risk is very low and your reward will be very big, depending on your own pattern of trading too. So let's get into the chart. Let me get to show you a live example of this engulfing candle, so you'll be able to see them too and know how to use them properly and get to trade with them too. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is an engulfing candle in this market right now, and I'm gonna show you guys why this is a very powerful candle in the market also, because some of you don't get to understand this when you say engulfing candle now. So around this place now, look at this candle. There's a push in this place towards upside, which is formed by these bullish pin back candles in this place. And when the market drop after the break of structure around this place, we got that push with an engulfing candle. And the reason why the market has to push with that engulfing candle is because what? This place was expected to be taken away. Then after the market has taken this place away, we get a push directly. But no, the market did not go like that. The market came, dropped from this place again. After the market has tried to take this place away in the first place, the market dropped back to this place. So since the market has dropped back to this place before it got some momentum and pushed to the upside again, breaking this side now, which is this structure in this place, instead of breaking this one, push continuously toward the upside. So the market broke this structure, and after the market has broken this structure, we expect this place to be our entry point because this one is not valid again. It's not strong enough to push the market toward the upside. So after the market has gotten this structure around this place, look at what the market did. Around this place, there's a pin back hand on the side, and the market has to engulf it. Then after the market has engulfed it already, the market came again, tried to behave as if it was going to drop to the downside. But due to the fact that I told you that if there's an engulfing candle in the market, the wick becomes our stop loss area in the market, and this place becomes our entry point. If at all I got an entry point in this place, the market was looking as if it was going to drop to the downside again, and a lot of people are going to close up because they don't even know what they're doing in the market. They're just following up with the trend. They don't even know what the market is saying. But for the fact that I knew that this was going to push toward the upside due towards the movement from this side down toward the downside, and this is a proper area, this is a good structure that the market came and got a retest around. Then after that retest now, the market is just pushing continuously toward the upside. So around this place now, people that close their trade will be in regret, expecting that the market should do what? Drop again more and more to the downside. And the market has changed its direction again, it's still buying to the upside. But the market still engulfed this pin bar candle in this side. So if at all the market was able to engulf this candle in this place, the market continued to rise toward the upside. Let's go to a lower time frame like D1. Let me get to show you something too, because it's looking like I'm using a higher time frame only to explain this. So let's look for a good place whereby the market came and engulfed again. So around this side, the market did what? Engulfed again, and this is a place whereby you expect the market to go bad. And the reason why you expect the market to go bad is because this is a bullish market. So why do you expect to take sales on a bullish market if you're not trying to trap yourself or get to lose money in this market? Why? So around this place now, after this little rejection around this place, telling us that the market is not going to come back to this place, the market came, got some move around this place, and around this side, the market still did what? Engulfed again. This is a very, very strong bullish engulfing candle, which has the ability to engulf 1-2 candle in this place, and from there the market started rising continuously towards the upside, even though there are some kind of reversals towards the downside later. But if at all your target, if your target was to take away this structure in this place, like this guy, if you wanted to take this structure away, then this market could have helped you take away this structure, and that could have been a very good TP smash. If your target was this other one, then you can still just get your confirmations in the market and start rising continuously with the market too, just like this place whereby the market did what? Got a retest around this place. Look at this side, the market came and got a retest around this place with another bullish engulfing candle, another reversal toward that area again, and another push again, another little reversal, and from there the market took away the overall structure, which is this guy in this place. So this structure now, which is this place where I have my crosshair, has been taken out in the market again, and the reason is because of the bullish engulfing candles in the market. So whenever you want to trade in the market, look out for these candles very, very well. And around this side too, you can see that this is an area, this is a pin bar area in the market, and the market came again, got an engulfing candle around this side now. Look at the place whereby the market engulfed it, and this is the area whereby the market came and got a retest around. And the reason why this retest is very, very strong is because of what? This bearish candle in this market, but this is the engulfing candle around this place. So if at all I want to get a trade again, I just have to look for a way to get a perfect entry point on the lower time frame, which is being taken from this D1 time frame right now to H4 time frame, H1 time frame, M30 time frame, then M15 time frame, get an entry and still get to make money from this market. So I don't want to make this video very, very long. That's why I'm not going to analyze this market. I expect you to bring your head down, learn more things about this candle formation that I've shown you guys in this video, so you can get better at it and get to make money too, guys. So that's all about the engulfing candle. Let's get to wrap up with the video because I think it's getting too long at this point, and I really want you to be able to learn it faster too. So go practice on your demo account and get to learn things about this. learn it faster, get to make money from it too. See you on the next one. So that's the 3 most powerful candlestick that I trade in the market every day. And if only, my brother, you can be able to, get to practice this on your demo account as many times as possible. So that from there, you'll be able to see the effect on your own trading too. Then use it on your real account and see the result, my brother. You're going to see a lot of good results in the course of you using this strategy in the market too. So that's all, my brother. And don't forget to do what? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the video with your friends. Let them get to see it also and get to learn more things about the market. Don't forget to join the Telegram community. Let's get a trade together and get a security bag too. What are you waiting outside?